Hey folks, Jonathan Walker here from Transparent Traders, and I wanted to talk about trading stock ticker ZOM with the gap up scanner that I showed y'all how to create on Webull in my video I dropped over the weekend. So this is a ticker that I traded right off the gap up scanner, and so I'll kind of show you how I traded off that. So, and how you could have profited off this as well, because I did show you how to create the scanner. So as you can see, I have the 8% gap stocks under $10 scanner. I have it pulled up to where it's on my watch list. So ZOM had alerted, it's on here still. It's dropping now, but if you come over here and you look, this closed out at 191 on Friday. So pre-market, once it hit that 206 range, it was over here on your gap up scanner. So you could have been sitting here scrolling through, looking all these. But this is one that in this Webull group, there's 13,000 people in this Webull group now, and everybody's been talking about this ticker since we really started this group. I mean, this group's been around for about a year, but let's just say 12,000 of the people have joined in the last week and a half due to all the Robinhood stuff. So I just put this out. We've all been talking about stock ticker ZOM for the last probably 2 weeks in this group. So 206, it would alerted on your screener, and so you could have entered in any of this range. The ideal entry for this range would have been the 206 to somewhere in this 216 range. I got in this at 2085. But as you can see from there, this ran all the way up to a high of a day of 291. I actually got out of this trade down here at 258. But as you can see, I still made 50 cents off this trade, half a point. And that's all it takes. If you had 100 shares, which is basically you bought at say at that 210 range, it's $200. Okay. You just made 50 in literally half the day, in like 5 hours. I had 1,000 shares of this, so went up 50 cents. I mean, I made $500 easy for the day. I mean, that pays bills. So we're not in here to pump stuff up. I'm trying to give y'all the tools in the Webull to help you be successful with these small trades. Now, I do have my own platform. It's called the TT Blackbox, that we have algorithms created by my partner, James Mason, that's in this group talking as well. That'll show you how to trade these big board stocks when you're ready. But at first, you got to learn how to trade. And these are the easiest steps that you can do. And ZOM is a popular ticker. People have been talking about it. It's on our watch list. Everybody was pumping this up this morning after I made the daily thread talk. But as you can see, 8% gap up, bam. You would have entered somewhere between 206 and 210 if you're really looking to trade this, and you could have ran it all the way up. Yeah, after hours, it's taken a big, plummet, but you would have probably been out. I mean, I'm a day trader / swing trader. I'm not holding stuff. I'm not going to fall in love with these stocks. I might trade this again tomorrow. It's all dependent on, with these stocks under $10, using this gap up. You can set this gap up. It doesn't have to be 8%, but I want them to really be moving. So here, this was a prime example. I hope y'all learned some stuff and kind of see how you can use it. But you can do this on any of them. So OTLK, you could have seen that it gapped up. It closed out at, let's see, 213. So gap up price would have probably been around, pre-market. It gapped up as well. You could have waited to see if it was going to go more before you entered. But if you were picking this one to trade, you would have probably entered in the 230 range pre-market, or you could have got at market open and seen that it was there and just ride it out to see how well it was going to do. But perfect example is ZOM. So I hope this helped, kind of showing you how you mix the two. And as always, folks, base hits pad the wallet. Jonathan out.